York City is one of the greatest cities on earth, but being that it's a city, there's not much nature. Spring has finally arrived and the leaves are starting to go green, so we gotta get out of this concrete and find some greenery. I really want to see something beautiful today, so I think I'm gonna try to find a waterfall. That's a lot easier said than done. We're gonna take one of these to try to find a waterfall. That's what we're gonna do. Within New York City, there's only 4 waterfalls that I know of. 2 are in Central Park and 2 more are in Prospect Park. I've never been to the ones in Prospect Park, so we're gonna go there today. Yeah. Sadly, they're all man-made, but they should look pretty cool. It's the best we got. We made it to the park. Okay, we're in Prospect Park now. We gotta find this waterfall. I think it's near the pond, so we gotta find a pond first. Okay, I hope no one takes a spike. Alright, these waterfalls are cool, but I feel like we can do a lot better. We gotta do better than this. I have a plan, Still got the bike. Okay, so we're gonna have to cheat a little bit and go outside of the city. It's only a little 2-hour drive, but these falls look like they're straight out of Oregon, so it's gonna be worth it. Okay, we gotta get some friends and then get the car. Alright, we're about to hit the waterfall, just arrived. We're hitting the falls. 0.7 away. Fall catch. Mike brought a fishing rod. We're throwing rocks. We're trying to get it into this window, this little gap. These are the falls. Mike, are you hyped? Holy moly. This waterfall is a double falls, so this is the second one. This is the larger one. And we'll go down there after and see both of them in their glory. We're gonna jump in the water. It's gonna be good. Alright, we're headed to the lower falls. Check out the view of both. Oh! Well, sick. That accomplished our goal. Time to head back to New York City. What a great day. Because you made it to the end of the video, I'm going to give you the name of the waterfalls. These are Catterskill Falls. Definitely worth the trip. See you next week.